Hi, my name is Kenny. In this video, I'll be discussing an article titled Learning in Digital Networks, ICT Literacy, a Novel Assessment of Students' 21st Century Skills. This article was authored by Sadiq, Gochiev, and Wilson in 2017 and was published on Computers and Education Journal. The primary research topic was to investigate and establish valid assessment instruments for measuring students' ICT literacy skills in the 21st century. In their literature review, they quoted several highly cited studies to establish the theoretical frameworks that underline the definition of 21st century skills and argued that currently there is a lack of studies on the reliability and validity of assessment instruments of these skills. They then introduced an assessment technique, Learning in Digital Networks ICT Literacy Test, or LDN-ICT test, that aims to measure students' ICT literacy in authentic, collaborative, and digital environments. In the methodology part, they stated that the data was derived from 144 ninth grade Norwegian students. They first conducted pilot tests using sync-allow protocols to improve the functionality, user experience, and content of the main test. Then, they distributed the revised version of the LDN ICT test to the students. Students needed to collaborate synchronously in order to complete the two scenarios in the test. Following the test, the researchers handed out a background questionnaire to investigate the test's internal and external validity. The questionnaire includes constructs related to students' self-beliefs, gender, and socioeconomic status information. Then, they used both unidimensional and multidimensional item response theory models to analyze the results. The results supported the hypothesized structure of the LDN ICT test as comprising 4 dimensions. No significant differences across gender groups were identified. Positive relationships to self-efficacy, academic aspirations, and SES were found. They concluded that the study provided evidence for reliability and validity of the test. Overall, this article provides valuable contributions to the research field investigating ICTs and digital literacy. The research topic fills in the existing gaps between identifying important 21st century skills and assessing those skills. Establishing a valid assessment tool is instrumental in facilitating further research in this field. However, it was unclear why the LDN ICT test was selected in particular compared to other frameworks and assessment tools. It would have been more informative if the authors could provide the rationale for their choice. The author also did not point out how the sample was selected, which would further contribute to the generalizability of the results. To improve the design, I would first increase the sample size to establish a fully invariant measure. Also, I would conduct a study on participants from other age and cultural groups to ensure test-retest reliability and to eliminate age and cultural differences.